G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider out on an essential shopping trip. Got to buy oil and filter for the bike and see what else I can find. First up, I'd like to say a big thank you to everybody on afternoon shift at Annex at the Clayton site. Just quit my job there. I actually lost interest in the job a long time ago, but because the people were so good to me, I stayed for a lot longer than I normally would have. Anyway, I've got to do this bloody click and collect shit, so just hold on. What do we do? Just pull up here. Right, yeah, that didn't go well at all. I tried to do a vlog on my way into the shops to get some gear, and helmet camera went flat. Anyway, what I was trying to say on my trip was when I finished up my job, everybody chipped in and bought me some presents, and very unexpected. I don't think I've ever had presents for leaving a job before. I got 3 different lots of aftershave, wine, flowers, what else? A cool little knife and some tools. Now check this out. Oh. Screwdrivers with all the bloody little bits in it. And this, oh, oops, turn it around so you can see. Oh, check that out. That's the sockets that I normally work out of at home, so that's going to come in very handy. I'm just going to do an oil change on the old girl. This isn't going to be a how-to or anything. 10mm spanner, 5mm Allen key. Oh, let's get this bash plate off. Yes, I've had a lot of jobs over the years. I've been working for what? I don't know, nearly 30 years I've been working. I've had a hell of a lot of jobs. I couldn't even count them. Let me go around the other side. I was told on day 1 of my apprenticeship that we wouldn't be getting kept on at the end of our time. And since then I've worked for contractors doing shutdown work. I've worked casual jobs. A lot of places shut down that I worked at. Places like Joy Mining, I really enjoyed that job. Working on underground mining equipment. UGL was a good job. I learned how to be a CNC machinist there. I used to live on the mid-north coast of New South Wales, and a lot of big manufacturing companies shut down. So there wasn't a lot of work left there. That's why I came to Melbourne in the first place. Since I've been in Melbourne, there's a hell of a lot of jobs here for a fitter. I finished up my last job Thursday and I start my new one on Monday. I'm going back to a company I've worked for before. Straight onto a full-time job, so really looking forward to it. I think the job's going to suit me a lot better than what I was doing. It's funny, they were looking for present ideas, and they were, there's a brother and sister there, Soda and Marta. They went and had a look at what type of bike I ride and looked up V-Strom, and they found my YouTube channel. That's pretty funny. So hi Soda and Marta if you're watching. Ratchet. Got to learn my way around this toolbox. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's going to fill up. Let me just go. Oh, I thought it fit in there. Maybe I'll put the big bucket under there normally. Oh. I must. Anyways. Ah, now I've got a tool for that, don't I? Rightio. I'll use the filter socket for this. This must be a Suzuki filter. I normally use Suzuki or K&N filters on my bike, but I can't get to the bike shop at the moment with the lockdown, so I had to go to Super Cheap. Got whatever brand their filter is, so hopefully it's alright. Get that off before the filter comes off, it's easier. Rightio, while that drains, I'm going to go have a coffee and relax for a bit and come back later and fill it up again. So thanks again guys for the tools and the presents, it's much appreciated. Thanks for watching, see you next time.